Welcome to Dull Star Diecast. Went to the swap meet today and got these loose cars right here. And I also got some carded stuff. But let's take a look at this loose cars I have here first, and then I'll show you my carded cards. And probably open a few of them also because it's a bunch of older stuff and the cards are kind of messed up. Up first is this, I don't know what this is called, but it's not the Scorching Scooter, I don't think, but it's a cool one. Motorcycle. It's got like a V8 in it. Sweet. No name. 2003. That's the first one, the motorcycle. Then I got this Hot Wheels fire truck in white. And had some wax stuff all over it because this light bar has been pushed down. It pushes back up. You can see it in there. I was going to glue it back up. It's kind of... But anyway, here's the white fire truck. Pretty sweet. 122. Metro 122. Nothing on the rear. Says 1976, but that was probably the first year they made these, and a bunch after that. And this is most likely one after that. That's the fire truck, Hot Wheels. Then I got this Matchbox fire truck. Pretty cool. Got the ladder, lights. It's an older one. Super fast. Blaze Buster number 22, made in England. 1975 Lesney product. It's your patent number. And pretty cool. It's got the ladder. And some played with value. That's the Matchbox fire truck. And I got one other Matchbox. The Scooby-Doo. It's the Scooby-Doo. Here's the airport fire tanker. That's what it is. This thing moves. Pretty cool. And it was a 2003 copyright date, so probably 2004 and after that they released these. There's the rear. Scooby-Doo surfing on the side. I love that. I have to put this one in my surf stuff because I got a lot of surf stuff. That's the Scooby-Doo airport tanker. And then I got this Maisto trailer. Pretty cool. Got the bed right there. And pretty cool little trailer. And then I got the Stinky diaper cleaners. Oh boy. It's got the fly deco. Back opens, but I'm not going to mess with it. And this is the van that everyone sees. Another version of it. And I got this 450F. Pretty sweet. It's got the number 3 on it. It's the 450F. And I got this quad. What's it called? The quad rod? Or sand stinger. Sand stinger. Number 7 on the plate. Nothing on the front. It's got some suspension stuff in the back. Pretty cool sand stinger. And let's go with this vat next. Got this vat. These are all 2 for $1. So pretty cool. Picked up a few that were in good condition. There's the Corvette. And got this one. Little rust on it. Windshield's busted off. And it's a Shelby Cobra. Good tampos on the front with a lot of played with value. Tampos in the back. Dirty cockpit. Cobra. Got this boom box. I think it's a Cadillac Escalade. Can't be positive, but it's got the chrome interior. Green windshield. So 2002 on it with a lot of played with value. I don't know who that is on the side. That's the boom box. And picked up this Bel Air. $0.50. '55 Chevy. No rear tampo. It's got the played with value. Pretty cool. 50 cents. And then got this one here. Shoebox. No tampos on the rear. Shoebox. I believe this is a real car though. I don't know what it is. Studebaker or something maybe. That's the shoebox. Sorry about that. And I got this one. I think it's the 34 41 Willie. It's got some played with value. Roll cage. Air scoop coming out of the hood. Tampoed headlights. Nothing on the side except for the door handles. Unless that's just scratched off. Played with value, yes. And then got this one here. This is a Porsche Spider, I believe. With some played with value. No rear tampos. Nothing on the side, just on the front hood and headlights. And 2012 release, so 2013, 14. I got this thing right here. It's pretty cool. I like these the ones that open up right there. There's a dude in there. This is called the power piston or power rocket. Power rocket, that's what this is. But the ones that don't open up, eh. Is there a date on this? It says 1995 right there, but who knows if that's true. Then I got these 3 vans, the Dodge vans. First up is this one. That may glow in the dark, I'm not sure though. Pretty cool van, the 70s van. Nothing in the rear. 77 Dodge van, custom. Then we got the blue one with the flames. Same deal, I believe. This one's made in Malaysia. This one's made in Thailand. And this one's made in Malaysia. So 2 from Malaysia, 1 from Thailand. This is the Malaysia. I don't know if that's a treasure hunt. That's the symbol right there. But I'm not sure. So I got those 3 vans. 50 cents a piece. And this was the last loose car I got. GTO convertible. Pretty clean, loose car. Red line tires. 67 Pontiac GTO. Nice paint job. Nice decos on the trunk, the hood, and side. Interior's cool. Nice and clean. I don't see any really flea bites on it or dings. Pretty clean. So that was the last loose one. Okay, let me show the carded stuff. Okay, first up is Mom's Pro 34. And this is a Chip Foose one, my cousin. I'm pretty sure he didn't make this car. They're just using his name on it. Because he was doing Mother's ads also. Matter of fact, if you look on one of the wax bottles of Mother's, the spray wax, it's the Impressions car that he did. And here's the cars on the back. This is Tom Daniels. Painting stylings by Chip by Foose Design. This is Foose Design's address if you want to go to the shop. It's down the street from my house here, about 5 or 10 minutes away from the pier. And from 12 to 1, they used to do tours. And if Chip's there, he'll do the tour. If not, somebody else will take you through the shop and show you. And they have a little gift store at the end. You can buy a Chip Foose shirt or some stickers or whatever he's got in there. But anyway, that's Chip's mother's wax car. And then I found another one. This one, Redfin, Roll Patrol, Chevy Bel Air, 1958. Card number 7 out of 10. And it's 2002 release, or 3. Yep. Card number 79. Looks like the 35-year anniversary. And here's the cars in the set. Here's the car. Foose Design. No tampos other than on the trunk and side. Nothing on the front. Interior you can kind of see. So that's your Bel Air. Okay, up next, got the short card. Flash Sider, 56 Flash Sider. It's a Chevy truck. Here's the front. Blacked out windows. Pretty heavy truck. I think it's all metal. And cool decals on the side, nothing on the rear. There's the back of the card. 1997. That's the Flash Sider I got. I'm not going to open. And there's another 35-year one. It's the 58 Corvette. Pretty cool. This one has an opening hood. Pretty cool. And it's 2003 release, card number 151. There's the cars in the set right there. That's your Corvette. I'm not going to open that one either. The ones that have bad cards, I'll probably open. Like really bad. Okay, up next is this thing. It's Flying Aces 32 Ford. Number 1 out of 5 set. Nice deco, airplane riveted. Card number 75, 2003 release. Yeah. Okay, this card's not very good. Let's open this one. Okay. See if you can see what's on top there. Aerial Forces serial number 05, crew weight 1,200 pounds, Eagle Squadron, Jandy, Zero 1515112 model flight A, whatever that is. J. Kindy, Captain J. That's the 32 Ford. Pretty sweet. Okay, up next I got this one. It's the Wild Rides. Surf and Fun Series, the 55 Chevy. 3 of 4. The Woody, VW Bug, Chevy, and the Nomad. 1998 card, probably 99 release. This one's kind of messed up. Ride yourself wild. Sick. Look at that wave. Griffin Colapinto from San Clemente won the U.S. Open of Surfing today at the Huntington Beach south side of the pier. Probably picked up a check for $100,000. And yeah. Spike surfboards. That's a sweet wave right there. Okay, I love it. 55. Yeah, I had to get that one out of that package. It was no good. Then we got this one. It's the Ford 1934. Probably the 34 Ford. And there's the card. 2003 release. Card number 93. Here's some of the cars in that set. Pretty cool. This car's kind of messed up also. Mondo. Sumo Samo. White interior with the chrome dash. It's pretty cool. Sumo Samo. Champion de El Segundo. Pretty cool. Okay. This one I'm not going to open. So, look at it up a little bit closer. It's the 31 doozy. Collector number 1097. In the guidebook. I could look it up and show you, but we won't have time right now. This will go on forever. It's a 1998 card. Probably 99 release. Is this a first edition? No. So there's the doozy. Luggage box in the back. I think the hood's removable, the top. And looks pretty cool. Malaysia, 1976. There's the doozy. Okay, here's a Woody. Surf and Fun series, 40s Woody. Number 1 out of 4. This card's not in too bad a shape. I don't think I'm going to open this one. Not yet. Here's what the back looks like. Some of the play sets you could have had. Pretty cool. A little city you and your buddy could have some fun with. And this is collector number 961. There's the cards in this series. 98 release, and here's the rear. Side looks pretty cool. Interior, here's the roof. Deco has deco on there. I can't. North Shore, I think that says. Sweet. Got some deco on the front fenders. Love it. So that's the Woody. Yeah, I really want to open this, but dang. To go with my Woody collection over here. But I have a few others. I'll open them all at once. Okay, up next is going to be this one. It's the Mustang 1965 Star Spangled 2 series. Car 1 out of 5. And this card is pretty messed up. It's 2004 release. Card number 123. Here's the cars in that series. There's another little city you could buy and have fun with your buddy. 2003 release. I don't think I have this one open, so I think I'm gonna wait on it. It does have an opening hood. And we all know what the motor looks on this, looks like on this one. Okay, I'm undecided on opening that one, but I have another one in that series that I could wait for. A Star Spangled Day. It's the 57 Chevy. Pretty sweet. Can't see the interior. Looks like a matte blue paint. And this is card number 125 in 2004. I think I'm going to hang on to that one too. Then I got this one. Oh, by the way, these are all 3 for $5. So here's another 40 Ford Coupe. Matte black with flames on the side. 2002 release. Card number 204. Here's some info on the back. (2001) card. Nice matte black paint. Okay, I'm going to keep that one sealed. And I got this one. It's 56 Ford panel truck. 2001 release. Card number, collector number 155. Here's the back of the card. Pretty cool track on there. Create the ultimate test track. Collect and connect track sets and accessories to vehicles, sets, and track, each sold separately, subject to availability. 2000 on the card, so probably 2001 release. Nice Harley panel truck, 56 Ford. That's the panel truck. And then I got some newer releases from like 2000, and the guy selling these, he was on a sick one, boy. He thought he had the best stuff ever, and he was telling me, I think he was half smashed, but he was selling this one for $5, and he didn't budge on his prices either. So I like these. I figured I'll buy it. And here's the back of the card. Cars in that set. Pretty cool. 2015 release. So probably 2016 on this one. Here's the back of the Baja Beetle. Pretty sweet. So that was the Beetle for $5. Then I got this one, Torino Talladega 76 deco. Pretty sweet. It's not the pale blue color, it's the metallic kind of blue, which is sweet. I like it. No tampos on the rear. Chrome back though, which is pretty cool. On the hood, there's the card art. That looks cool. Number 183 out of 250. And it's a 2015 card. Speed Graphics Series. Here's your 69 Ford Torino Talladega. And up next, oh, you should have seen all the Volkswagens. He thought he had the best ones ever. Paid $8 for this one though, man. And he had a couple other different colored ones with this deco. He wanted to sell me for more. I'm like, I'll take the cheaper one. So I like this Volkswagen T2 pickup. Be cool if it had surfboards on it though. There's the card art, 50th anniversary card. And it looks like number 108 out of 365 this year. 2017. They released a car a day. Different car every day. That's your T2 pickup. Hot Wheel Hardware. Pretty sweet. Then up next, I got this one for $5, the 69 Squareback. I had a 69 Squareback. It's my second car I ever had. This is number 2 out of 10 in the Hot Wheel art cars. The W on top. No tampo on the rear, chrome bumper. Nothing on the front. $2015, so 2016 release most likely. That's your Squareback. Love it. And my last one is this one I got for $8. Datsun 620. Pretty sweet. Hot Wheel Off-Road Series, number 139 out of 250. This is a 2013 card, so 2014 release most likely. And there's the back of the card information if you want to see that. But here's the back of the truck. Datsun. Pretty sweet. There's the bed. Interior, Datsun on the side. Sweet. Love it. Okay, so that's all I have for Sunday night, Hot Wheels, and hopefully I'll have a good show for you tomorrow night. Until then, thank you for watching. This is Dollstar Diecasts, and we're out for now.